squishy. So this too is actually grip bag, as I said before, and it is top forest. I should ask my friend about the price of this grip bag, but she says okay, so I guess it's not that expensive. So next I have this Namiko squishy, and I'm not really sure about the retail price of this. I guess it's not uncommon, so I'll be selling this for but there's like defect over there, and I don't know about any other defects. So yeah, and I'm not sure if I should say before, but this grip bag is actually defected. So yeah. Next we have this Winnie the Pooh Halloween Candy 2013. So on the actually defect of the neck, it's the tie is some tip, the back of the neck, the size of candy. That's like this part. Yeah, this one is so nose milk. Very squishy. You'll slide. Next I have a grip bag of this very defected puppy or cappy squishy. Very defected. If you actually can't see the writing and stuff, like if you want to go to a price which I said by W's channel, I think she hasn't deleted W, so we will have to take it out because I think it's Clara, I don't know, and yes, this was from her. And this case we have very, I don't think there's any defects, except for the eye pin air grip bag will be for 15, including Mary. So yeah, because I got this at a high price. So last but not least, I actually got this off Stress Ball, and this is the last one I have. This will be for $10, including Mary. It's very squishy. And this is good quality one, I guess, because already there's not much flaw on this paper thing. And it's not like dirty or anything, because those ones actually receive one that's like very yellow and stuff like that. So this is one of the softest, I guess.